the Quran from Surah Luqman, Surah number 31, ayat number 27. And this ayat is a clear indication that 99 weeks is nothing to talk about Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It's nothing. 99 weeks may appear more than 2 years, but in this ayat Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is informing to us mankind. Allah says in Surah Luqman, Surah number 31, ayat number 27, Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Walau annama fil ardi min shajaratin aqlamu. If on the entire earth the trees that you find, if you convert the trees into pens and pencils, if you convert all the trees into pens, walau annama fil ardi min shajaratin aqlamu wa fil bahri yamudduhu, and you convert the entire water into ink. 2/3 of the planet earth is water. If you convert the entire water into ink, if you convert all the trees into pens, wa min ba'dihi, and after that, in addition to that, sabatu abhurim, if you add another 7 oceans into it with ink, ma nafidat kalimatullah, yet you cannot complete the praise of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Convert all the trees into pens, convert all the 2/3 water on the planet earth into ink, add another 7 oceans into it, yet you cannot complete the praise of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Inna Allaha kana azizun hakim. Most certainly Allah is all powerful, full of wisdom, mashallah, with full of wisdom.